Hello for American Samoa. My name is Darren Cray from the village of Lusi. We are the winner for the fourth week of the Biggest Loser Challenge. And first, I just want to thank the man above for giving me the strength and courage in participating with this event. And also, I want to thank my family for always helping and supporting me throughout this journey. And big thanks to the man himself, Mr. Henry AUVA'A, for creating this event in order to motivate most of us in losing weight and to live a happy and healthy life. My advice to the public is to eat right. You know, no matter what you eat, always gotta exercise, and don't forget to drink water. If you love your family, if you have kids, if you love your kids, if you want to see them grow up, you should think about that in order to push you and motivate you to live a healthy and long life. And so again, my name is Darren Gray, and hope you guys stay safe and stay healthy. Peace.
Lusi,